Hey, this is Overpass Insights. My name is Eric and I make apps. Now today, I don't work for you. Okay, so today I'm coming to you from Paddington Station. I'm just catching a train into London for a meeting and just have a bit of time to kill. So let's talk a little bit about how you deal with the people that you work for, or that you work, either you're working to provide a service or you're actually working for them. So one of the things that really bothered me when I was a permanent employee was when someone would give me something that wasn't my job. But I accepted it because when you're a team player, you're a team player. If somebody says, can you print these documents out for us? Yeah, sure, no problem. Even though you're the software developer, if they say go downstairs and sweep up a mess that somebody made, yeah, you still do it. I mean, it's kind of like you might begrudge it a little bit, but you're working for them. You're on their time, and they're paying you, and that's just the way it is. You do whatever they need. The situation, the dynamic changes when you're doing work for a client, when you're providing them a service. Like a lot of the times you do like fixed price work like I do, it's, they might ask you things that are not part of the specification, not something you quoted for. And a lot of the times you kind of have to do it anyway, but you have to push back a little bit. You have to get used to saying, hey man, I don't work for you. Here's an example of something that's happened to me recently. My train's coming. Here's an example of something. Getting into, they call a meeting between like another vendor and me, like the other vendor's doing the back end API, I'm doing the front end, the application, obviously. And they arrange this meeting with the business owners and then that company and then my company. And in the end, that company decides they don't want to attend. They say, you know what, why don't you just hash this up amongst yourselves, because it's too technical, but we probably want to understand it anyway. And what happened was we got into these situations where decisions had to be made and they weren't there. So it was a huge waste of my time. So in the end, I had to get used to saying, dude, I don't work for you. It's not my job to do this, to attend meetings on your behalf. You need to be there because decisions need to be made, and I don't have that kind of willpower to deal with the clients. Anyway, my train's here. It's something to think about, especially those of you guys who are just getting into client work. The dynamic is different. You don't work for them. You're providing a service. All right, so that's it for today. I got to run and catch this train. Hey, thanks for liking and subscribing. Stay healthy, stay safe, and I'll talk to you again next time.